how to get free Echo Starter Pack in Withering Waves. If you want to get free Echo Starter Pack in Withering Waves, there are a couple of things that we could possibly do. First of all, depending upon whether you're using the Windows version, which could be the one that you downloaded from Epic Games, you could go to your Epic Games launcher and go to the add-ons section, and there you would see the Echo Starter Pack. Now by the time you watch this video, the offer could have already been disvalid. You can see the promotion starts on May 15th and will end on June 12th at 11 AM EDT, right? And this is one of the mega sale offers. You have the Echo Starter Pack and there you can see redeem info. To redeem it, you need to have at least reached Union Level 2 to unlock the redemption entrance. And here you should be able to find the option to get the redemption code, and there you can enter the CD key and click on confirm to redeem the gift. And this way you can get the Echo Starter Pack on your Withering Waves. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.